Hello friends, my name is Soham and welcome to my channel Coding with Soham. In this video we are going to see properties of text area. So let's get started with our today's video. So I am switching the screen. So here first we'll go to design tab and drag and drop text area. Here first is ID. ID of any component is given to specify its name as my name is Soham, so everybody is specifying me with my name. So here same it's ID. So we should keep easy ID because we need to remember it, and we need to also use it in our code. So now next is text. Which text I want for my text area? Subscribe to my channel. So yeah, so text is subscribe to my channel, we can see here. Next is width. If I will increase the width of the text area will increase, and if I will decrease it, the width of text area will decrease. If I will increase the height of text area will increase, and if I will decrease it, the height of text area will decrease. Next is exposition. If I will increase exposition, it will go on right side on x-axis, and if I will decrease it, it will go in left side of x-axis. Next is y position. If I will increase it, it will go in downwards in y-axis, and if I will decrease it, it will go in upward in x-axis. Next is text color. Which text color I want for my text here? So black 000. Next is background color I want here. So here we can choose any background color that we want. Suppose here I am choosing white. No. Here I am choosing red. Next is font family. So which font family I want for this text? So I want here impact. So see, it's not good. Let's try Arial black. Yes, now it's good, looking good. Next is text size. Which text size I want here for my text in text area. Next is text alignment. If I will keep it as left, it will be at left side. If I will keep it as right, it will go to right side. If I will keep it as center, it will be in center. Or if justified, if I will select justified, it will make more space in the this words. So I want center. Next is border width, which here I am selecting border width, but it's not visible because the border color is white. Sorry. See, we can see the border. As I will increase it, the size of border will increase. Next is border radius. Which radius of my border I want? If I will increase it, it will cut the corners of that rectangle, and if I will decrease it, it will be in its normal shape. So let's keep it to 10. Here we can see it. Next option. So here now I can write text here, but this should not happen. So here code.org has given us option read only. If I will checkbox this, I will be not able to write any text here. So it's optional, we can keep read only, or we can also uh, allow user to write text there. If I will select hidden, it will be only visible for app developers, not for app users. Next is depth. So for this I will need any component that I want. Button. Now the button is on. Now button is on text area. Now let's make it behind text area. See, button has disappeared. No, it's behind the text area. If I will click forward arrow, it will go behind the text area. Any component we select. And if I will decrease send to back, the text area will go to back and button will come up. Thank you friends for watching video. We will have more interesting topics in my next video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel Coding with Soham. Bye.